Hello, class. My name is Dwayna. I hope all is well. I'm sorry if I come off a little scripted. I wrote down my responses because I get extremely nervous when completing these introductory videos. So, the type of agency that I completed my first year placement in is with the elderly population, working as a care manager, coordinating services for the primary caregiver. I'm hoping to complete my second year placement at the Veterans Hospital or at an acute care hospital like Kindred Hospital or Fox Subacute. What prompted me to take medical social work is I would like to get more experience in complex medical diagnoses and trauma. I have always been interested in working in a hospital with children or in a nursing home with seniors. I am hoping to get a better understanding of how social workers can be impactful in these settings and also learn how fulfilling these settings can be to the social work career. Thank you.